Get out here and help me. Oh, yes, I can't feel my fucking legs, man.
Okay, there's a freaking flat tire. It's fucking below zero.
Oh, hell yeah.
In fucking Alaska. Okay, fine, Michigan, Alaska, same fucking thing. So what are we gonna do?
He called me for help. He called Money Mike.
Throw the Jew down the well. So my country can be free. So my country can be free. Throw the Jew down the well.
You must grab him by his money.
You must grab him by his money.
And we have a big party.
And we have a big party. And we have a big party. Throw the Jew down the well.
Okay, wait a second.
So my country can be free.
I'm gonna throw both of them down.
I'm currently gonna go into the boonies. This is the Armenian Blair Witch Project.
Oh, where the fuck is she going? Hold my nuts, hold my nuts.
More nuts coming,
my nuts.
more nuts coming.
Okay, don't move because the car is gonna go down. I'm gonna be this way.
What do you mean? I'm not moving. Anya, don't move. I'm not moving. Don't move, Anya.
Alex, I'm sorry.
We're sorry. Alex, we love you. We're sorry. But throw the Jew down the well.
Throw the Jew down the well.
So my country can be free. So my country can be free. You must grab him by his money.
Oh my god, this is the wrong fucking tire?
Shut up.